Barubus.
You guys ready to go to the dog park? Huh? It's our first time since COVID. Oh, we're gonna give it a try. You guys gonna load up? Who knows how to load up? You go, Zinga. Good job, baby boy. Come on, Zoo. Show them how it's done. Come on. There you go.
All right, who's ready for excitement? Hi. Hello. Okay. Hi, pup. Hi there. Hello. Nissi, N-I-S-S-I?
It's actually N-I-C-C-I, so it's supposed to be Nietzsche, but we've always called him Nietzsche.
Oh, okay. Very cool.
How old is she?
She's 9.
9?
Nice.
He's taking it all in. He's like, what? How are you? Hello.
You've got a squirrel. Too far up.
Go, go, go! What you looking for? You terrific?
Come on.
Yeah, you just want to play, huh? Oh my goodness. You almost missed that one there. You had him on the ground. How'd you let that get away? Oh, how'd you let that get away?
Oh wow, he's up there. Look. Nope, to the left.
Get out of the bucket, dude. Oh, look how cute you are. Watch out. You ready to run, huh, buddy? Go, go, go!
Nice, you're thirsty, huh? Nice. 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 Woo! Awesome.
Guys, come on.
I think that was a good. Oh, there was. Oh.
Zinga! Zinga!
Glad
Come
we
here,
didn't-
buddy. Come back, Zinga. Come back.
Charlie.
Charlie, yes. I remember seeing
Hey,
Charlie.
Charlie.
He's so cute. I like that wire. It's like the wire, like.
Yeah, he sheds a lot.
Oh, does he?
Oh god, yeah.
You wouldn't think they do, but they do. Little hairs.
Hello.
They're so cute.
Yeah, he's coming over for free pets.
Hello, Charlie.
You like free pets, don't you, Charlie?
Yeah.
Charlie. Don't get jealous, Zinga.
Oh, wow. Oh, man, he's going to strike. Look at that. He's ready to strike. Oh, cool. Whoa. That's wild, man. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's like, I'm out of here, dude. Ooh, he did. He struck. He's striking. He's like,